In this video, I will show you how to create an entity relationship diagram, also called an ER diagram, in draw.io. There are two ways to do this. You can use a ready-made template, or you can build the diagram manually from scratch. I will show you both options. First, let's use the template method. Click the plus icon to open the Insert menu, then select Template. In the search bar at the top, type Entity and press Enter. You will see an Entity Relationship template. Click on it, then click Insert. Now the ER diagram template will appear on your workspace. You can click the text to rename entities, move shapes around, and adjust relationships to match your database design. If you prefer to build the diagram manually, you can do that too. Look on the left side panel where all the shapes are. Scroll and find the Entity Relation category. Click the small arrow next to it to expand it. From here, you can drag the entity shapes, relationship lines, attributes, and connectors to build your own ER diagram step by step. If you do not see the entity relation shapes in your list, click the More Shapes button at the bottom of the left panel. A window will open. Look for Entity Relation and make sure it has a check mark. Then click Apply. After that, the ER tools will appear in the Shapes panel so you can build everything manually. That's how you create ER diagrams in draw.io, either using a template or building it from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more draw.io guides.